Hello guys, this is how you can fix your Google Play Store not responding. First of all, you have to go to Google Play Store, right? So you just search services, just search Play Services. This is the best shortcut you can follow, right? So you see this information here, this application here, services information, just install it. So once installed, just click on open. You will see an interface like this. You can allow the notification. Then what you see here is Google Play Services are installed, right? So you could just go to app information. You see we have Google Play Services. Go to more, updated 5th of July, right? So you can just go back, then you click on Google Play Store. Once you click on Google Play Store, if it's not updated, this is where you have to update your Google Play Services. So let's just update the Google Play Services. Another method is to go to your settings. You go to your settings, then you go to software update. There could be some update on your device that needs to also update alongside your Google Play Store or Google Play Services at the same time. So you need to check for your software update on your phone so that it matches with that of the Google Play Store and makes it run more efficiently. Once you've installed the Google Play Services to the latest update, you would see that you don't have to update or anything. This is the only option that will show uninstall, so it is in the right place. And you can also use this application to also check the permissions for the Google Play Services. Ensure that all permissions are allowed except Health Connect and Location. This is not so much of interest, but all of this permission has to be allowed. You can also check that of the Play Store. You can just hold on to it, then you click on this option here, then you check on permission. Ensure that all good permissions that enables the Google Play Store are allowed. Basically, it's phone SMS, then you don't need contact because Google Play Store does not need any contact here in terms of going through your mobile. So all these are okay. Nearby device, if you like, you can just put this on. But basically, the major cause of the Google Play Store not responding is due to your Google Play Services. So it has to be updated and in the right place. And coupled with that, your software update for your phone has to be at the latest. So you have to always ensure that your phone software firmware is up to date. Okay, you can just see my software update is updated. It's on the latest update. You can just go to the storage of your Google Play Store. Then you can just clear data and cache. It's not going to delete any important stuff on your phone. It's only going to reconfigure your Google Play Store services again. So, and then if you click on Play Store, you get to see that everything is also back.